Today I'm gonna show you how to download Photoshop 2021 latest exe file and how to install to your PC totally free and correctly. Step 1, open a browser, search get into PC Photoshop. Now you can see, select this website getintopc.com. Now you can search on this website as under graphic design category. Adobe Photoshop technical step details, software name, you can see this name Adobe Photoshop 2021, setup file name Adobe Photoshop, file setup size 2.3 GB, setup type right, offline installer. Then you don't need to connect your PC to internet, and this latest version is added on 28th September 2021. System requirement for Adobe Photoshop: memory RAM 1 GB RAM required, no matter 1 GB RAM enough to install this software, and Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 and 11, and click this button, blue button, download 64-bit version. Password is 123. Now you can see file is downloading. If you don't trust this website or want to know whether it is a scam or not before downloading, please read the comments. Now extract the zip file. Use 123 for the password. When you extract this zip file, you have to use as the password. After the extracting, you can see another folder near the extract file. Open it and you can see the exe file Adobe Photoshop CC 2021. Double click it and install. After the installation, close the installer window and go to the start menu, and you can see newly installed software application. Then select Adobe Photoshop 2021 and open it. Ta-da! Now it's on your PC. Now you can use this Photoshop